on your guitar.
They say the first cut is deepest. Without it, if you love me, then why you cut me so deep? 'Cause all the times that you told me you were mine just don't seem enough. You're broken up and I don't wanna have a bad word to say about you. I just want you to know how much I'm going to miss you. We got so close to making things right. You got too tired of trying to keep up this fight. You let go of my hand and wandered on to the other side. You found your way into the light, but you forgot about my eyes. And I don't wanna have a bad word to say about you. I just want you to know how much I'm going to miss you. With all of you inside, what else? It's killing me inside to think you're anything else. And I'm breathing this short of my lungs. I tell you, well, there's a name right for you, but it sure don't feel good to me. I don't wanna have a bad word to say about you. I just want you to know how much I'm going to miss you. Don't wanna have a bad word to say about you. I just want you to know how much I'm going to miss you.